In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Shopify plan for your store. Setting up your Shopify account can seem a bit daunting at first, but I'm here to walk you through the process, making it as simple and straightforward as possible. So, let's dive in and get your store up and running. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, direct your attention to the bottom left of your screen, where you'll see an icon labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a new menu with various options related to the management and setup of your store. Once the settings menu is open, you'll need to locate and select the option labeled Plan. Selecting this will lead you to the page where you'll be able to explore various plans that Shopify offers. Next, you'll want to click on the Choose Plan option. This action is going to bring up a showcase of all the plans available to you. The various plans are presented at different levels, each one detailing the array of features you can expect at that level. Take a moment to delve into each description. Whether you're just starting or scaling up, understanding the features provided is crucial in aligning the plan with the specific needs and goals of your business. After reviewing your options, it's time to select the plan that fits best with your store's requirements. Each plan caters to a different business model, so consider what features would most benefit your current stage of growth. For instance, if you're a small business owner stepping into e-commerce, an entry-level plan might serve you well as you get accustomed to the platform. However, if you anticipate high traffic or need advanced features such as detailed reporting, you might want to consider more comprehensive plans. Once you've made your selection, proceed with the payment process. Shopify makes this part simple and secure, allowing you to input your payment details and finalize the purchase seamlessly. And there you have it. Those are all the steps involved in buying a Shopify plan for your store. The process is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that you have all the support and tools you need to get your e-commerce business off the ground. As you continue to grow, you can always revisit and upgrade your plan to access more advanced features and tools. I hope this guide has made the process clearer and perhaps even inspired a bit of confidence as you embark on your online selling journey. Remember, choosing the right plan is a significant step towards unlocking the full potential of your e-commerce capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.